Hello friends, now you're watching Tech Future and today I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 in your PC or laptop. So let's begin. If you're new here, so subscribe our channel and just follow me to download the ISO file of Windows 11. So first of all, we have to open any browser. So I am just opening Firefox. So search here google.com and search bar. When you will search Google tab will show here. So first of all, we have to search here Windows 11. When you will search, press enter, and first of all, as you can see here, Microsoft download Windows 11 Microsoft. So first we have to click first link, which is official. When you will open it, this interface will come in your laptop or PC. So we have to download the ISO file of Windows 11. As you can see, download Windows 11 disk image ISO. So click on select download. This is our file. So don't download other file. So click here Windows 11 multi edition ISO x64 device. And you will click it. Click on download. It will take just seconds. We have to click here, choose here our language, choose one. So select your language. Our language is English, United States. So I will select it. You can choose your. Click on confirm. It will also take just some seconds. So click on 64-bit download. When you will click here, click when you will click 64-bit download, it will automatically downloading. So it will take a longer time, so I am speeding up my video, so don't worry. If your PC will be faster and your internet will be faster, then it will take a normal time, otherwise it will take some times. Okay, so just follow me. It has about to download now. It has downloaded, so I am showing you. Click it means minimize it, and I am showing you where is it download. Click on your this PC. Click on download. Now here it has downloaded. So we have to download a other software. His name is Rufus. So just open your browser. We have opened our browser. So click on new tab. So our software name is Rufus space download. So don't spelling mistakes. If you will mistake, it can't be download. Okay, so don't mistake spellings. Rufus space download. When you will search it, this is the official side of Rufus. As you can see, this is the first link, which is the Rufus. We have to click here. As you can see, this interface will come in your PC or laptop. So we have to download here. So first of all, let me check it. Yeah, we have to download from here. Click on Rufus 3.21. When you will click here, it will automatically download. It is add, so close it. It has downloaded. It is being downloaded. It has completed, so let me check. Click on this PC, click on download, install the Rufus application. We have to install it, so let's install it. Click on this software. When you will open it, yes or no option will come here. Click on yes. Now it will ask for some yes or no, so we have to click here no. This is the update, so we have don't update, we have to do don't update, so click on no. So this interface will come in your PC or laptop. So first of all, select your ISO file where you have downloaded. So I have downloaded my ISO file which is in download. So we have to inject our pen drive. We have to use the pen drive of minimum 8 GB. I am using the 16 GB of pen drive, so we have inject my PC or laptop. So click on select button, and where you have download your ISO file, select your ISO file and click OK. This is my Windows 11 ISO file, so I will select here and click on open. When I will select here, it will also take a longer time. Let me click on some step. Click on start, it has ready. So we have to no changes in their menu. Click on OK. We have to click here again OK. It will also take a longer time, so I am speeding up my video, so don't worry, just follow me and do nothing. Just follow me, and it will also take a longer time, like 20 to 30 minutes, so don't worry. So just keep refreshing your PC or laptop, let it ready. Now it has about to complete. Now it has completed. So it has our pen drive is ready for down. It means install Windows 11, so we have to click here close. I am showing you our pen drive is ready for install Windows 11. I will make it another video because this video will be the too long, so we have to upload it second video. So thank you for your love and support. Subscribe our channel, Tech Future.